Hi children, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss about the focal length of a concave mirror is positive or negative and how we can apply the sign convention rules for concave mirror. So this topic is very important for problems in 2 marks and 4 marks question children. For examination point of view also this is very important topic. Children, so let's go for topic. If any one of you first watching my channel, then subscribe my channel, and after watching the video like, share, comment the video. Okay children, let's go for topic. Focal length of a concave mirror is positive or negative. How we can apply the sign convention rules to the concave mirror? So what are the sign convention rules? For that you have to go for previous video. I already uploaded for that. So children, here sign convention rules are there, how we can apply them to the concave mirror. First you have to know focal length of a concave mirror is positive or negative. Clear? So in this case here it is the concave mirror, and the rays are coming from long distance. The light is coming from infinity distance, that's why we will take them as parallel beam of light. Clear? So I am showing like this. All these are the light rays coming from infinity distance. So how they are? Parallel. That's why what you have to say, parallel beam of light. Clear? So children, it is pole. After that the reflected rays are meet at one point. The reflected rays are meet at one point on the principal axis. That point is called here focus. So these are the reflected rays. Clear? The light is coming from infinite distance, and after incident on the concave mirror all the rays are gets reflected. Those reflected rays are meet at one point. That point what we call focus. Children, so what is mean by focal length? All of you know what is the focal length? Distance between what is P and F. The distance from P to pole to the focus is called focal length. So PF is equals to F. Focal length is what? PF. PF is equals to F. Clear children? Already according to what is the sign convention first rule? According to the sign convention rule, all the distances must be measured from pole. That's why while you are writing the definitions also you have to take care of that one. In the definition of focal length what you have to say? Distance from pole to focus, but not say like pole to focus. Sorry, focus to pole. Clear? And now children, so okay, as for this diagram what we are taken, PF is equals to F. Clear? Now according to sign convention what we can take? F is either is positive or negative. Sign convention prakaram focal length ni positive anukovala, negative anukovala. Let's go for that. We have second rule is there, sign convention rule. What's that? The distances what we are taken. The distances what we are taken in the direction of incident light, they can be taken as positive. And the distances what we are taken in opposite direction of incident light, they can be taken as negative. So already we have that. So we have to use that rule here now. we are taking P to F. P to F. You have to observe now in this case what is the direction of moving of incident light. How it is? P to F, F to P it is there. Clear? Light is coming from infinite distance to the towards the mirror, and here what you have to do, the children, the incident light is coming from F to P side, and what we are taken focal length P to F. Light is moving from here. Simply I am saying now this is my right side and this is now left side. Like incident light is coming from right to left, but we are taking the focal length distance from left to right. That's why what you have to say, we are moving in opposite direction of incident light. That's why here the focal length of the concave mirror is negative. What is that? Focal length of the concave mirror is negative. That is the first thing you have to remember. The focal length of a concave mirror is always negative. It is the very important thing you have to remember at any time. Focal length of the concave mirror is negative. How we are saying means like this. The incident light is coming from here to here, F to P side, but we are taking the distance from P to F. The distances what we are taken in opposite direction of incident light, they can be taken as negative. That's why here focal length is negative. Clear? The first thing is what? Focal length of a concave mirror is negative. It's very clear. I think so. And next, what about you and what about we? Sare, focal length negative అయింది. మరి what about object distance and what about the image distance in the mirror equation? మన మిర్రర్ ఈక్వేషన్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు దాంట్లో u నెగిటివా v నెగిటివా ఎలా చెప్పగలుగుతాం? చూడండి. Here I am taking this one P F C. I am taking the situation, the object is on C. Where it is? Object is on C. Here the light is, we are taking ray diagram, the incident light is parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, that is passes through the focus. Clear? And next, second ray, the rays pass through the focus. The rays passes through the focus. After reflection, it is parallel to the principal axis. Parallel to the principal axis. Ray diagram, children. So now here we are writing the here image. This is what I, center of curvature. Clear? Object is at center of curvature. The ray is parallel to the principal axis, that is coming from object, and after reflection, that is passes through the focus. And now the rays passes through the focus. After reflection, it is parallel to the principal axis. Clear, children? So here at the same center of curvature we are writing the image. And what is the nature of image? Real, inverted and same size. Clear? It is the image, inverted image, a real image, and that should be having same size as object. That is the nature of image. It's very clear. I already explained in the previous videos. Okay, children. Now here, what is the object distance and what is the image distance in this diagram? Clear? What is the object distance and what is the image distance? Clear? Look here now. P to pole to object, what do we call? Object distance. That is PO is equals to U. Object distance always represented by U, letter U. And similarly here, pole to image, what it is called? Image distance. Distance from pole to image, what it is called? Image distance. And P to O, that is what? U. pole to object is what we call object distance, and distance from pole to image is what we call image distance. So in this case, here, what about the u and v, whether they are positive or negative? Positive or negative? Let's go for that. Here, this is the object and this is the direction of moving of light. Incident light is moving in this direction. Incident light is coming in this direction. And how we are taking the PO? We are moving from P to O. That means what? We are moving in this direction. We are taking the distance in opposite direction of incident light. That's why PO is equals to minus U. And PI is equals of same thing, PI. Image distance, what is that? Minus V. That's why here for a concave mirror, always object distance is negative, image distance is negative, and focal length also negative. And children, already we know that R is equals to 2F. What is that? R is equals to 2F. Or simply here, what we take? Radius of curvature means what? Radius of curvature means what? Pole to center of curvature. Distance from pole to center of curvature, what we call? Radius of curvature. So here, what write? PC. That is the radius of curvature, and it is also negative. For concave mirror, all quantities are negative. Object distance negative, image distance negative, focal length negative, and radius of curvature also negative, because all the values we are taken in opposite direction. In opposite direction of incident light, that's why all are negative. That's why you have to remember, in case of a problems, you have to apply all these things. సో మనకి ఒకవేళ కన్ఫ్యూషన్ డౌట్ రేజ్ అయ్యింది పాజిటివ్ అని నెగిటివ్ అని చెప్పేసి, దెన్ ఇమీడియట్లీ యూ కెన్ డ్రా ఎనీ రే డయాగ్రామ్ అండ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు అప్లై దీస్ రూల్స్ దేర్. అప్పుడు నీకు క్లారిటీ వస్తుంది. యూ అంటే ఏంటి, వి అంటే ఏంటి, యూ నెగిటివా పాజిటివా, వి నెగిటివా పాజిటివా మనకు క్లియర్గా అర్థం అవుతుంది. అయితే ఇక్కడ ఇంకో విషయం చూడండి, ఒక్క కేసులో మాత్రమే వి అనేది పాజిటివ్ అవుతుంది. స్పెషల్ కేస్ ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ visual image only. Clear? Children, for concave mirror all quantities are negative except one case. In case of virtual image, in case of formation of virtual image, here virtual image, where will get the image? Behind the mirror, then V is positive. Clear? Got my point? When the object is in between P and F, then only virtual image can be formed. When virtual image can be formed, remaining all are negative except V. ఎప్పుడైతే మనకి ఇమేజ్ అనేది బిహైండ్ మిర్రర్ డ్రా చేస్తామో అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే ఇమేజ్ అనేది ఏమవుతుంది, దట్ షుడ్ బి ఇన్ ద డైరెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సిడెంట్ లైట్. Direction of incident light, then only V is positive. Remaining all cases V is negative. So children, this is about the applying of sign convention rule to the concave mirror. I think so you understand. If you can understand this one video, like, share, comment the video, and share our channel to your friends, and suggest them to subscribe our channel. We will meet in the next video with some other interesting topic. Bye, take care.